Wow! This is a spacious master bedroom with king size of bed, split type aircon, and you have your walk-in closet. Also, my peeps, you can do party here with your friends, family, or anyone. Welcome back to Living in Dumaguete. Once again, this is your Red Angel. For today's video, we are here in a house for rent located in Calayugan, Valencia. Features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathroom, and a furnished house. Tara, let's have a closer look. So my peeps, this is your spacious parking area where you can park your 2 cars or 3 motorcycles. And now, I will show you the inside of the house. So my peeps, this area is the living area, which is spacious with floor standing type air conditioner. So now, I'll show you the first bedroom with Ensuite bathroom. This bedroom offers a double size of bed, cabinet, and aircon split type. So now, I'll show you the bathroom with hot and cold shower. Let's go to the second bedroom with Ensuite bathroom also. This bedroom offers a queen size of bed and a split type aircon. And now, let's go to the bathroom with hot and cold shower. And now, I'm gonna show you the huge and beautiful master bedroom. Wow! This is a spacious master bedroom with king size of bed, split type aircon, and you have your walk-in closet. Walk-in closet is very nice with lights too. So now, I'm gonna show you the master bathroom. This bathroom has a hot and cold shower too. And now, let's go to the kitchen area. From the master bedroom, direct to the dining area with 8-seaters dining table. And now, let's go to the kitchen area. Kitchen area offers a gas range and a refrigerator. And now, I'll show you the last room where you can use as your study room, office room, or it can be your bedroom. It's up to you. With aircon too, a window type aircon. And now, let me show you the terrace. Wow! This area is very spacious. Also, my peeps, you can do party here with your friends, family, or anyone. Lastly, I'll show you the outside of the house and the laundry area. This area is your laundry area. They have also 2 water tanks and a water pressure. In addition, my peeps, this house is a gated and fenced to add security and safety, has a big lawn, and a pet-friendly. So what are you waiting for? If you are interested for a private viewing, kindly contact Alma Almonte Fulco. Full details provided below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated. Thank you for watching, my peeps. Love you!